c'est fini, on peut plus aller nulle part.
Baie Saint Paul town officials said in a statement early Tuesday that beds were available on a shelter in town and at a nearby camp for the 584 residents who have been displaced by the flooding.
The power of the swollen river in Baie Saint Paul took many by surprise. The water strong enough to carry away and destroy full campers from a nearby campground. A lot of rain fell. Firefighters who were helping flooded residents when they were carried away by the water.
Baie Saint Paul Canada, May 2, 2023.
Heavy rains also hit other parts of the province. In St. Côme, a dozen roadways impassable, forcing evacuations as water surrounded.
Flooding caused by heavy rain in Baie Saint Paul, which is located about 100 kilometers northeast of Quebec City in the Charlevoix region, as well as St. Côme and St. Amélie de l'Énergie, which are in Lanaudière north of Montreal.
Ici, c'est la roulotte d'Agile et Martine. Puis regardez, les autres roulottes sont toutes entassées.
Washing away roads, stranding about 1,000 residents. As the situation worsened minute by minute, the municipality of Baie Saint Paul declared an emergency. Officials are urging residents to be careful, to stay home if it's safe, as they monitor roadways and water levels. Alison Northcott, CBC News, Montreal.
Obviously, residents here and in other towns in Quebec, because similar scenes are playing out in the Laurentians, just outside of Montreal, as well as here. Residents are really keeping an eye on the water, and the security minister saying what is critical is the next 48 to 72 hours. They have seen the waters recede, but they're hoping that this...
500 people have had to leave their homes in Baie Saint Paul after the level of Rivière du Gouffre, which ran through the town, spiked on Monday. Apart from hundreds of people having to be evacuated, it was also reported that 2 firefighters were missing due to being swept away by the flood currents.
Our new pictures just into us, and you can see just what they're up against. Heavy rain in the Baie Saint Paul area has caused a river to spill its banks, cutting off roads, cutting off bridges, damaging property, as you can see there, leaving hundreds of people stranded.